Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm just going to show you guys how to disable those pesky little startup programs that usually pops up when you first start the computer or when you turn the computer on. So it's really simple. In the first step, you want to go to your task manager program, and you can simply do that by holding Control, Shift, and Escape. So it's going to bring up the task manager window, and what you want to do is go to the tab that says Startup, and from here you can find the program that you don't want to start up when you turn the computer on. So you can find them, especially if it says enable, you go ahead and click on it and hit disable, and pretty much that's it. So let's say, for example, if you have Spotify installed, and a lot of times what happens is Spotify will pop up at the beginning when you first start up the computer, and to some people they don't want to do that use it all the time when you turn on the computer on. So you want to go ahead and disable it, and if you want to enable it again, you just simply hit enable, and pretty much that's it. If you have any other questions, please feel free to send your question on the comments below. Thank you so much and have a good one.